Alrighty, so here we go. We have two players, and the big thing with momentum is you have to be consistent with direction. You have to choose which direction is positive, which direction is negative. You could say everything to the left is positive, you could say everything to the left is negative, as long as they're consistent within. So, this is going to be an elastic collision, because you can see they're separate before, they're separate afterwards. So bouncing off each other means elastic. So what do we have? We have our elastic collision equation, m1v1 plus m2v2 is equal to m1v1 primed plus m2v2 primed. That looks ugly. Let me make it look better. There we go. Okay, so I have to choose what's 1, what's 2. Well, it's easy when the guy has a 1 on his chest, so I'm going to say m1 is player 1, which is in 85 kilograms. v1 is the velocity, that's his velocity, which is 3. I'm going to say it's positive because there's nothing going to be going in the opposite direction, so I'll keep everything positive. Alright, m2, his mass is 80, and his velocity is 0. Okay, on the other side, m1 is going to be the same mass as before. His mass doesn't change. So m1's mass is still 85. But this time his velocity is 0. Okay, and m2, his mass stays the same as well. His is 80 kilograms, and we are looking for his velocity afterwards. So now we're going to have to do some algebra. Well, first we see that anything times 0 is 0. So both of those are gone. So we have 85 times 3 is equal to 80 times v2 primed. So what are we going to do? We're just going to divide both sides by 80, and we'll get the right answer.